Hey, it's me, Jermaine Callando. I'm back with a hair porn all week. Normally, hair porn is only on Tuesdays. I know it's been a while since you've seen one. I'm giving you a new product line that I'm trying out. Yes, I am trying out a product line. This time, I'm going to show you everything for the first time. Now, this is the first product. This is the shampoo. This is the line right there. It is the Shea Moisture Power Greens. This is a Morninga. It has Morninga and Avocado with kale, matcha, and cream algae. This is the shampoo. You're going to see this first. Before I say that, I'm going to show you also what comes after. This is the 4 process steps. So this is wash day only. You could not use this for anything else. This is first. This is second. Hold on, let me go back. What was second? So tomorrow you will see this. If the video is short, you will see this soon. See this? This is the second thing. What is the second thing? This is a power rinse, hair tea rinse. This is the third thing. If I get it right. This is the Power Green conditioner. And last but not least, this is the Reconstructor. Now, what I'm about to do now is come right back with you. I got to show you the hidden wall a little bit pretty soon. Not right now. For right now, I'm going to stop and we're going to be right back. I got to give you some little bit of hot water so I can make sure my shampoo really goes in. Alright, see you in 1 second. Alright, we're back. I didn't do anything off camera. I want to show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm not going to lie, my wash days have evolved. What I normally do is this. My hair is normally separated into like twists, and then I just wash. Right now, since I'm showing this on camera, I'm going to just show you how the product works with my hair. Now, first things first, before you add a product, hold on, get you closer. I'm going to put it right here. This is what I'm using right now. This is hot water. Now, this is something I've used as part of like my process, which you're going to see me change this from hot water because all week long, I'm going to add just a little bit and I'm going to show you what I'm going to add into this bottle. At this moment, this is hot water. So, you take a little hair and you just spray. And I love this because it spritz out too. So, for your hair, since I'm going to give my hair a little more of a pre-moment, because honestly, do not add shampoo until your hair is kind of fully wet. I like it soaking wet personally, but we're not going to go too far with that. I need to show you what the product looks like. Alright, for your first time use. Ready? Top is off. You see this is very open. You see this. Put it back on. Put it a little tight. Alright, this is what it looks like in my hand. Ready? Very runny. Do-do-do. Alright. And we're going to just get a section of your hair. Now, some of y'all ask this question like, okay, what is best? Should you just do the roots? Yes, it's good too. But no lie, it's so much in this bottle. It's like 12 ounces. Go ahead and cut your hair. Because in the end of the day, you should strip out everything. If you feel like you have product buildup, if you use oil, especially if you use gels, go ahead. And this is a 4 process step. If you don't know this, I'm going to show you that next one. I'm going to show you why. With this, remember this is the first time using this. Now I'm going to hold this more carefully. I'm going from that one side and having this front done to the back. So as I really don't like saying this, I'm getting the back. Gotta get that big. Like this. And just keep going down so you get your strength, so you can also stretch your hair. Now you ask this question, my hair is longer than yours. True. If you have a TWA, you have not have to do all this. This product line will last you a while. If you have hair that's longer than me, you know what I'm doing. But in case you don't, I'm trying my best to help lengthen my hair and get all the little tangles out. Wash day is wash day. My hair loves to talk to itself. Now first I'm going to go back to this bottle of water and get this big. The nape of my hair is a problem area for me personally, which it happens. It's a very funny story. My back of my head was like the easiest. No, it's not. When that happens. Alright, ready? And that's it. And now I'm gonna add just the one more product, just a little bit more, and that's it. Now, child, a little bit of shredding. All right, this is in my head. I didn't use that much. This goes a long way, which is always a good positive. I will say this, I'm grateful that it does not take a lot because of the pricing. I am a very cheapskate person. This product line ranges from I think $10 to $12 each product. So that's great for a 4 product, and this is just for a shampoo. So I think people ask this question like, is it too much to have for a shampoo? No, it's not. There's shampoos that cost way more than this. And that's also because what it's going to do. Now, this is what my hair looks like as it's coating. And your hair will revert. If you stretch your hair a lot, your hair should sometimes go from like poofy to how my hair is looking right now. A little small. Yes. Alright, ready? And your hair kind of, as long as it coats it, if you have a certain different hair texture, you have to have like a lot more of a, some products will just coat, so you have to figure out what product works for you. Yes. Alright. This is the shampoo right now, and I'm gonna wash it out, and I'm gonna be back with you on camera. Alright. Alright. The first product is done. This is what my hair looks like well out of the product. It feels really good. It was quick. Well, you know, process for one time. So that's it for this one. This is wash day continuance for the whole week. No, just yeah, for most of the week. Have 3 more times. 3 more steps. Ready? The next one you're gonna be seeing me doing this.